Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks, and I did a video about welding this today, and I did it my way, and a viewer subscriber second time today somebody's helped me, and I know this, but I just, an old dog doesn't like new tricks, but this is pretty cool. He said so these two circles or ellipses are separate. If you will hold down the Alt key and scan through them, that selects both of them, and then go up to Object and combine them. I did the same thing as I did earlier, but I had to nudge them out of the way, and then select the whole thing and weld it, and it works. So the Alt key is your friend when it's selecting, because you don't have to, select the whole thing. You can just swipe through it, and any place that you touch, those are selected. So the Alt key will help you select things. Anyway, I hope that helped. Thank you for watching.